Session interrupted by the Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 140BAT DLL pop-up. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. It's time to resync your libraries and clear that crash for good. Avoid long manual edits for Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 140BAT by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 140BAT, a specialized renamed version of the C++ standard library found in the Batman, Arkham series, or specific modded repacks. It manages the localized shader caching logic for the game. If missing, the game will crash during the loading screen with a module initialization failure, or 0L007B error. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error usually appears when required graphics runtime components for Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 140BAT are missing. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX libraries, then update your graphics drivers if the DLL is GPU compute related. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 140BAT component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 140BAT DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 140BAT management. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 140BAT and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.